So hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to do science experiment of balloon powered car. Take a cardboard and a straw and cut the straw according to the width of the cardboard. Then take the straws and paste on the cardboard. And take two wooden sticks and put it inside the straw. We have taped it up so it doesn't come off. Here we are using masking tape. You can use normal tape also. After that, take two bottle caps with holes in them. Then attach the bottle cap into the sticks. Oh wow, it's moving. Oh, something is missing. Let's decorate. You can skip this also. After it, take a straw and a balloon and fix balloon on the top of the straw like this. Then secure it with the help of rubber band. After it, check the balloon is blowing or not. It's blowing. Then attach it on car base with the help of tape. Yay! Our balloon powered car is ready. So let's check it that the car is moving or not. It's moving. So the principle used in this experiment, balloon powered car, is Newton's third law of motion. The law states that for every action there is equal but opposite reactions.